WATE 6 on your side legal analyst Greg Isaacs is here as we look into the law and protests. Greg, thank you for being here.
Lori, it's good to be here.
Here is the issue we're tackling today. This year and in years past, we've seen people gathering in the streets. Often demonstrators block traffic. Earlier in the month, a protester in Johnson City was actually hit by a driver who later turned himself in. So here's the question. Are demonstrators allowed to block the road? And what about drivers' rights?
Well, Lori, first, you have a right to protest. It is your First Amendment right. The Supreme Court has ruled that the government can regulate the time, place, and manner of the protest, but not the content of the speech. But Tennessee has very specific laws that have recently changed regarding protests, riots, and the manner you can do it. In terms of the question, the answer to your question, you cannot block a public street or highway. It is a Class C misdemeanor. There's been a special session in August and some dramatic changes. Aggravated rioting, which is a riot, 3 or more people, that's causing tumultuous behavior. If it causes injury to person or property that is substantial, a minimum of 45 days in jail. So very significant.
Pretty stiff penalty there compared to years ago.
If you assault a first responder, it is now a Class C felony. 3 to 6 years, another mandatory minimum of 90 days. And they've also increased the penalty if you prevent an emergency vehicle from entering the highway, the roadway, etc. And also, it is a Class C misdemeanor to block the street.
What if you're driving through said street and you hit somebody?
Well, there's only limited circumstances in Tennessee that you can use force, and it has to be reasonable force, and that is self-defense, and you can use the degree of force that's used against you. Just because someone is breaking the law does not give you the right to break the law or try to take the law in your own hands.
In other words, you're breaking the law, you don't lose all your rights automatically.
If you hit somebody that's in the street, it may be a defense to a civil lawsuit that they were comparatively negligent, but it's probably going to be a vehicular assault, which is a D felony that carries 2 to 4 years in the penitentiary. So remember, if you get frustrated, if you come upon a protest or riot, your remedy is 2 things. 1, patience, and 2nd, dial 911. And always use the horn. But anyhow, you cannot try to nudge, move, etc., because a vehicle has been interpreted under Tennessee law as a deadly weapon. You have 6,000-pound, rolling machines, and when you come into contact with somebody, even if you're doing it at a low rate of speed, you can create significant injury. It's against the law.
All right, hit the brakes, not the gas.
I couldn't say it better.
Thank you, Greg. So if you have a question for Greg, just send an email to AskIsaacs@WATE.com, and be sure to tune in to WATE 6 on your side news at 5:30 every Wednesday to see if he answers any of your legal questions.